Today, we're going to be looking at this floor mat. I recently bought the Hyundai Ioniq 5 for $47,500 in Pennsylvania. And honestly, I didn't want to spend another dime on anything else. Getting floor mats is essential because I have kids and I know they're going to be dirtying up the whole car sooner or later. So getting a mat is very important, but honestly, they should not cost anything over than $100. It's just rubber. If you're in the market for mats, chances are you'll be looking at Liner X. And here's another one from WeatherTech. Scrolling down, you will see the price is $231. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So I took a chance, and lo and behold, it works even better than expected. Let's take a close look at one of the thumbnails. Here you can see this whole thing is shaped like a bow. The mat will keep the water inside, within. It's going to be difficult for the water to splash and spill all over the place. The item arrived all folded up. There's no way you can put it in your car and it will fit. At first I was kind of disappointed, and then I saw the instruction. See this thing right here? They knew that shipping would bend the whole thing into weird positions. So in order to get it into the proper shapes, you'll need a heat gun. Wherever you see the crease, go ahead and apply the heat guns to that place. Swing it back and forth, pause, press the crease in the opposite direction so that it will go back in the shape that it should be. If you have a nice heat gun, this should take about 5 minutes or lesser. Once the items return to the original shape, go ahead and install it into your car. And this is the final result. Everything matches up perfectly. They did a great job. Honestly, I should take the old mats out, but I was too lazy to do that, so I just installed this new mat onto the existing Hyundai mat, and it fits just as well. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.